Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Grumman Pilot's YouTube channel. And this morning, we have a treat for you for Halloween. We're going to look through a service manual of an Aranca Champion, better known as the Champ. This airplane is older than I am, and it was built in Middletown, Ohio, not too far from here. But I just want to show you a few things about this service manual, which have a lot of similarities to what we have in our service manual. Let's take a look at them. Other than the fact that, again, it's older than me and falling apart, there is a great picture right here in the very beginning of the front of the Aranca building that was up in Middletown, Ohio, located near the airport. So this is on page 1 of opening it up. And then when you go through the manual, table of contents, which we expect, then they start talking about the airplane and some pictures in flight, rigging, all about the wing frame. And just like in our service manuals, there are exploded diagrams so that you can see what every part, where every bolt goes on the airplane. Like right here, to attach. It calls out the bolts and everything that need to go there and how many are required. So you could rebuild your airplane or repair it from this service manual. Here's the main fuselage. So you've got all the exploded diagrams that you would expect. And then there are these great shots. And here's a family. You'll notice there are 5 people enjoying lunch around this 2-person airplane in a field. So they're not the only person to do this. I mean, here's a picture of a 1969 American Yankee. And note, there are 5 people with this 2-person airplane. There's a theme here. 5 people in a 2-place airplane. More than it can carry, but great for marketing. Now what probably happened is the gentleman over here is a pilot, the lady is a pilot, and the man is a pilot, and that way 3 airplanes could have gone there to have made this flight. And these are the pictures you have between your stringers. On the other side, exploded pictures for the control system. Now you're looking at your control system. But here's the other shot, and there are 3 of these pictures in this magazine. These must have been 3 airplanes that they did the picnic shot with, because that would have made all 5 people possible. However, closer examination of the airplanes, you'll discover there's only 1 person in each of those Champions flying around in Middletown. Okay, now let's go on to some more. More exploded diagrams. In this case, it's everything you need to know about how to assemble your wheels. There are 2 on the airplane. They discuss the tail wheel separately, but then here's where they discuss the tail wheel back over here. But what the pretty of this one is this great shot of a woman standing on the landing gear of her Champ back in the day. We're going to insert some historic Grumman photos in here just to tie it into the Grumman Pilot channel. But a really nice magazine, really nice manual with all of the diagrams and everything available from the Aranca Corporation. This one is dated February 1st, 1947. And by the way, additional copies are available for $2.50 each. So you might want to budget for one of those if you have a Champ. So ladies and gentlemen, we'd like to thank you for this treat on Halloween. Thank you for watching so much. Hope you found all this useful and informative. We're tying it into the Grummans with some photos from our day. But again, hope you found all this useful and informative. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day flying your Grumman.